Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Flashforge Adventurer 3 with Flashprint software. And to do this, first thing is to download this software on your PC. Here I have it. So next thing is to connect your Flashforge printer with Wi-Fi network, and I've shown you how to do that in my other video. So be sure to check it out if you're not sure how to do it. Now, when it's connected, we can click on the print, select connect machine, and here select the printer. If you have one, then it should show up right there, and click on this arrow, which should connect your printer with your software.